2 key tips for LinkedIn: make it enjoyable and be realistic. Now, to make LinkedIn enjoyable, it helps if you get something out of the platform. It doesn't have to be just about getting business. That's an important reason to be on LinkedIn and why a lot of people are on LinkedIn. But there are lots of other reasons to be on LinkedIn. It might be that you want to learn more about a particular topic, or you want to build your network, or you want to be part of a community and be able to talk to people doing similar things to you or in the same industry. These are all legitimate reasons for being on LinkedIn, but have a think about what you'd like to get out of the platform, and then set a strategy for how you're going to achieve that. How are you going to build your network? Maybe you want to seek out particular types of connections and engage with them and then connect. Maybe you want to increase your visibility and showcase your expertise by posting regularly. It might be a combination of different things. But the key is be realistic with your strategy. There's no point setting out that you're going to post every single day if the reality is that's not going to happen. You haven't really got time. You haven't got the ideas to do that. So set realistic goals, achievable goals. If you set too higher goals, it will just make it a chore. So those are my top tips. Make LinkedIn enjoyable by setting goals that, deciding what you want to get out of it, but be realistic about what you can actually achieve.